And first tonight, new developments to the 7 on Your Side investigation, dog food danger. Our initial investigation prompted a recall of 107 million cans of pet food for containing the euthanasia drug pentobarbital.
ABC 7 senior investigative reporter Lisa Fletcher broke this story, and Lisa has new revelations tonight.
Within hours of our investigation, the FDA launched its own into Smucker's subsidiary Big Heart Brands, the makers of Gravy Train, Kibbles and Bits, Old Roy, and Skippy dog foods. At issue, a rendered fat ingredient that is the boiled byproduct of carcasses that contain the euthanasia drug pentobarbital. The latest class action lawsuit against the company alleges that the FDA found pentobarbital in the company's fat supply at levels at least 80 times higher than what we discovered in products on the shelves, and that the company retained a sample of that fat from a full year earlier in 2017, with levels of pentobarbital more than 50 times higher than our results that prompted the recall. Attorney Rebecca Peterson.
It is an important fact because they retained it, yet they didn't test it, or they did test it, and yet they still went forward by including that tallow in the contaminated dog food.
From the onset, the company maintained that the pentobarbital was not to be of concern to consumers. It characterized the levels in pet food as extremely low. Pentobarbital is illegal at any level, as it is a lethal drug. The company states its top priority is the safety and quality of its products. The revelation that pentobarbital has existed in the company's supply chain for more than a year appears to contradict its assurance to consumers of a comprehensive testing program that is used to assess the safety and quality of ingredients upon receipt. An unsurprising contradiction to food safety attorney Bill Marler.
Sometimes industry just doesn't want to be transparent, and I think they missed the boat because consumers are pretty understanding of mistakes that get made in the food supply. They aren't so understanding when they think that the government and the industry are hiding things from them.
In a statement, Smucker's did not address the failures of its previous comprehensive testing program, but told us that although the company has robust quality assurance procedures in place, we are committed to enhancing sourcing and supplier oversight procedures to help ensure this does not happen again. Court documents allege the source of contaminated fat as the company's supplier, JBS, itself the subject of investigations and recalls for everything from E. coli and the inhumane treatment of animals to rotten meat and product contamination dating back to at least 2009. In a statement, JBS did not address those issues, but stated it has modified its procurement process and will divert all third-party sourced materials to non-edible production until the company can ensure these materials meet its high standards for quality and safety. Peterson says they're seeking more than remedies for affected consumers.
That these companies become transparent and honest as to what they're including in the dog food. Pets are viewed as family, and consumers want to know and expect that these companies are transparent and honest in what they put on their labels.
ABC 7 Chief Investigative, I can't believe that story. A lot of people are going to have a hard time understanding this and then wondering what to feed their dogs.
We've been on this for 5 months, and we're going to stay on it, John.
All right, Lisa, thanks very much.
And of course, you can find all of Lisa's pet food investigations and full company statements right now on the free ABC 7 News app.